Talking about is none other than Jim Brown. Jim Brown, and he's ready.
Massive. Now, see, right, massive, I want to get yourself in line. Man like Philip Fanner, Desi. Yeah! Lord have mercy. Come me say life in a the ghetto with no nice. Come me say life in a the ghetto with no sweet. Bim. Come me say life in a the ghetto with no nice. Lord. Come me say life in a the ghetto with no sweet. Cause I was taking a soul to a strange area. Bim. Taking a soul to a strange area. Said I get choked down by two robbers. Them steal me chain, steal away me bill war. And drape me in me waist also me collar. Not to me start school appear, shot start fire. Me jump, take it up. Jesus. You know what I mean? Don't take the selector. Cause we no wrap up enough. Is. No sugar mine at all tight. Cause you say Youthman and forget promotion and we love that. You know what I mean? Enough respect to all of the massive.
Energetic massive on a big man.
Don't see me as I get to youth, you know. Most men don't know that. Now telling you something. See? This a ghettoology, a ghettoology. A long time poor people under them the tragedy. It's a ghettoology, it's a ghettoology. A long time poor people under them the tragedy. Hear me man, look on the situation. Hear me man, look on the situation. Me youth leaving school and getting graduation. Say no surface ticket but no occupation. Say things like those into tribulation. Tribulation we run down to starvation. Salvation we run up in a temptation. Make us down the road, pick up our weapon, and switch up the road and use it for them brother man. And show them no know that's why them reputation. Them reputation is by your reputation, Lord. Reputation is by your reputation. Said in a big book it my conviction. Listen to don't say you're a wanted man. And to later your sentence for young. Bim. Sentence for young, me say your sentence for young. Sentence for young, me say your sentence for young. This a ghettoology, a ghettoology. A long time poor people under them the tragedy. Lord, down in the ghetto where me born and grow. Whole heap of sufferation is what I really know. Lord, down in the ghetto where me born and where me grow. Whole heap of sufferation just a face me so whole heap of broken buckle and enough rubbish heap. But no me turn a man me waffle make a bigger leap. A whole lot of sinners a go moan and weep. Cause life in a the ghetto too goddamn cheap. The rich man in the easy man the air conditioner. We down in a the ghetto we are fun with we and yes. Macho Makakuda Luke and John. Be all I stand up in a style and fashion. This a ghettoology, a ghettoology. A long time poor people under them the tragedy. Poor people, Lord have mercy. The poor people, we are suffer, we are suffer. We can't stand the pressure. We are suffer, we are suffer. We can't stand the pressure. Because down in the ghetto where me born and where me grow, sure. Holy pa suffering is what I really know. Holy pa broken buckle and enough rubbish shape. But no me turn a man now up make a big alley. Mr. Mixer while you sickle up on the mixer. I tell you Mr. Brownie, Mr. Ram Dance Pooper. Come for ram up every crib, ram up every corner. Special request and to all magala. We not pull it, me select you. Yeah? No rough enough. Oh, now hear me another second. That's how we do it and we don't skin up. Most people don't know so we stay, man. Them not see it. Oh, yeah, them style now. Them style navigated to Civ Right Massive. Now, Mr. Selector, will you please play? Yes. No old man called Danny Banton is big. Man like Desi Brave Driver, New York Massive. Every man playing Bible family the way come down with me. Black people gotta hear me say, Lord have mercy. It name, Ribong, Ribibi Bones King, it name. See boobs ya, come try and me out, come. See boobs ya, come try and me out, come. See boobs ya, come try and me out, eh? See boobs ya, come try and me out. Me way buy a box of beer and me way buy a box of soda. All a girl a drink, a girl can't drink me out. East me say west and me say north and south. And then when me go me say the lyrics a come out. Come, see boobs ya, come try and me out, come. See boobs ya, come try and me out. Say she and her friend, but them a sing and them a shock. Me catch them in a Caribbean, them eat broke lock. Them run to the toilet and can't come back. I say Jim Brown, that's how you a life sucker. Why you roll up your one if you have it. Jesus, Jesus, ooh, ooh. Boom, boom again. Boom, boom again, man. Cause we not wrap up, you know. Enough respect to the man like Sugar. Hold on. Take it up. Now select that one, you take your hand from your side, you know. Now select that. I want you to take your hand from your young and buffalo, them cry feet, man. Although I never call for them name in it. Where is the gain? No Peter make sure hold tight. It name New York call again. Go Shung Peng. New York call again. Tell it to them. New take that. So what I mean? You don't tell no man. We don't play with music business. Yes. Enough respect to the man like Steve. Seen New York massive, just hold tight, Connecticut massive, Jersey massive, every massive is beautiful. Seen? Yeah! Live occasion to all of the foreigner. Let me see them, Mr. Brown, him and the Ram Dance Whooper. Hey, nah. You know the style now. New York call again, go Shung Peng. New York call again, tell it to them. New York call again, then New York call again. I'm going to write a letter to me and tell him Gwen. I'm going to write a letter to me and tell him Gwen. Lord, tell me friend them round a cockburn pen. Anna, tell the one them up on me Ruben. Anna, tell the one them down on me a pen. Say lyrics me no borrow, me say lyrics me no lend. Say write them and lyrics it me pencil and me pen. Bim, New York call again, Kushung Penga, New York call again. Because you can't you see weather when you're living foreign. Listen, can't you see weather when you're living foreign? Sometime it's well lot and next time get chilling. Say down in December where it start freezing. You don't watch yourself, your lips start cracking. Say use chopstick or some Vaseline. Say Jacqueline a pass and Jacqueline a sing. What a thing! Say Jimmy use Vaseline. What a thing! Say Jimmy use Vaseline because New York call again. Kushung Peng, New York call again. I want you pull up selector quicker. Say pull up selector quick. Lord, show Mr. Brown with the reggae matic. I went to